Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essentials and creating the original wax model. This is why accuracy here matters. Fit errors amplify later. Carve or file the wax to final dimensions, then attach a 1/16 sprue at a 45 degrees angle so molten metal can flow. Once done, position wax in the silicone flask, pour the mold compound around it, and let cure. Make sure to avoid bubbles so the mold captures all detail. You now invest the mold and remove the wax. This converts your positive into a negative cavity. Mix investment precisely and pour in a slow spiral. Vibrations release trapped air. After setting, place the flask in the kiln and run a burnout schedule that slowly ramps temperature to melt out wax and eliminate gases. This matters because a proper burnout prevents porosity. Once complete, cool slightly to the correct pouring temperature for your chosen. You melt the metal and cast the ring into the prepared cavity using centrifugal, vacuum, or gravity casting. Aim for the recommended pouring temperature so metal fills fine detail. After cooling, quench and remove investment, then cut the sprue, file the gate, and progressively sand. Finish with polishing and any stone setting. If voids or rough texture appear, troubleshoot by rechecking burnout schedule, investment mix, metal temp, and sprue placement. One adjustment usually fixes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.